This is Osaka Loop Line, JR. Now I am going towards Tennoji, Tsuruhase. From there I have to take train, change train and ride 3 stops to go to Doton. I have to select. I am not selecting charge without receipt. I no need receipt. So then I have to put money here. See, the light is blinking. Yeah. Now it is taking. So amount charge has been completed. Now I can take my IC card. Yeah, that's it. So this I am taking this train to platform 2. From platform 2. So 3 stops I have to ride. Then I can walk to Dotonbori. This is the area near Dotonbori. Dotonbori is a commercial business district in Osaka. So very famous, and it is like very commercial, very busy. Dotonbori. So I am going towards Dotonbori. This is close to Dotonbori. So I am waiting for the signal to cross, pedestrian signal. Yeah. Again is Osaka station, Nippon-Boshi station. So I think I got down from this station only. So I'm just checking. I can see vegetarian restaurant, vegetarian food. I will check whether it is Indian or anything else. This is one more shopping arcade. So it's weekend. It's very busy everywhere. So you can see underground shops and restaurant street. So I can go underwear. Sorry. Under the street. I'm sorry. I can't find Indian restaurant anywhere. So I have to go back to my hotel. So there only there is an Indian restaurant where I am eating daily dinner. So you can see the street, Osaka street. It is never-ending shopping, never-ending restaurants. So it is never-ending metro, JR line. So everywhere they are very well connected. See metro, M everywhere. So we can take any line. So that is the convenience in Japan. So let me go. I have to spend at least some time in my hotel because I have paid like 2,000 rupees for 6-7 hours. So if I room here, so I am wasting money. So I have to just eat and sleep take rest for some time because this is never ending. So even 2 days, 3 days is not enough here in Osaka. So let me enter into subway, metro, Osaka metro. So that is the best thing. I can see Midosoji line where my hotel is located. So it shows M20 is a stop. So I think mine is only M22. So only 2 stops if I am not wrong. So I can also go to Namba city. That is another big business district like in Osaka, like Umeda and Dotonbori. You can see straight. I have to go straight for Midosoji line. Excellent. So I don't need to waste any time traveling. Oh, this is connected to Namba station. Excellent. This is Namba. So Midosoji line, M20. So M22 is only 2 stops. So this is my last day in Japan, Osaka. I have enjoyed a lot. I have learned a lot. So their discipline, their trains, their Sakura, the Shinkansen trains. So they have started Shinkansen like 1964. So see how. So now I have to see where I have to go to my metro. Midosoji. Yes, left side Midosoji. You can see Yosubashi line and Mido Suji line left side. I have to use my Suka card. So I have to take platform 1. So number. So Dobutsun Mae. So the train is there. So I have to rush up. So it's already available. Dobutsu Mae. Yeah, I have entered in the train. So it's just 2 stops. I sit here. Got off from this metro. It's only 2 stops. This is going to Nakamuzu, M30. My stop is M22. So which is very close to Namba. That's it. That is going to Shin Osaka station. I came from these gates using my Suga card. So now I have to take exit 2. So which is this side. From exit 2, it is only 300 meters my hotel and restaurant. First I go to a restaurant. It's almost like 3 p.m. I didn't have my lunch. And then I go to hotel and check in for just 5. This is the Indian restaurant. I am daily coming. Namaste Lumbini Asian Dining Pansagar. So this is managed by Nepalese, but it's all Indian menu. It's very good, reasonable price. This is lunch set menu for 9:35 p.m. It comes with salad, butter naan, big butter naan, made into pieces, and vegetable curries, and then after that 1 drink. So it is already 3 o'clock, 3:15. So I will take a tea, very masala tea. I have taken this room just for 6-7 hours because I have to take rest before going to airport. This is entirely night flight from Osaka to US. So that's why I have taken this. So this is a room, looking good. So with cot, bed, so it's fine. So mini fridge and cupboard. So that is enough to store and stay here for 7-6 hours.